Welcome back, and let's just see how we can inject our view model using Hilt. For this, really simple, really fast. You see um, how easy is this. Let's create a package. Let's call this stats like this, and here I will create a class. Let's call this stats view model. Let's keep it simple. Okay, here this is our view model. You can just literally annotate this with HiltViewModel like this, and then we can, let's say, inject our constructor here, inject constructor like this, and you have to say that is a view model like this. We have our view model here. Let's create really simple here. Let's start a collection. We'll create variables here, stats, live data like this. You create a table data inch like this. Let's import this. Okay, let's create private var this way. Private var stats will be a number. Let's make it 0. Let's create a private var. Let's create a runnable. Will be a runnable. Okay, and let's create our function here. Start stats collection. I will explain this in 1 minute for you, but let's create a handler here. Let's say handler, and just remove this. Let's import this handler OS here. Here we can pass looper, and here we can just say get main looper like this. Okay, runnable stats we add, and we have the post value here, and here we can just say handler and possibly delay 1 second and 1 second. Okay, this is should be fine. Just get inch here, increasing this by 1, and we saving your live data here that we be getting in your main activity. To use the view model that we just inject with Hilt here, you can just say, for example, private wow like this, and we can say stats remodel and we can just say by view models. It's simple like that. View models, and this view model here will be of the type stats view model like this. Okay, we'll find here, and now we just have to use this. Let's create here observable. Let's make this stats view model. Let's create a here observer. Okay, that's like that observer like this. We pass the owner like this, and let's create this here. Let's call this stats, and here we can just make just a log. You can see what we are receiving here. Log D, we have our tag as always like this, and here we can say anything like stats. It should be fine, and then we just have to call this stats model dot start stats collection. This should be working. In resume, everything you need to do is annotate the view model with the HiltViewModel, and you can inject constructor like we did before with other class. The secret is just this here, and for you to instantiate this, you just call view models here and pass the type of view model is this. I'm saying this is this view model, and then this should be fine. Let's just run here and make sure that everything is working, and we should see numbers from 0 to whenever we leave our applications open 1, 2, 3, and this will keep going. So that's it. See you soon.